Hello and welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create cool intro for your own YouTube channel with a free application. Now you have seen a demo. It is very simple and easy to create cool intro for your YouTube channel with this free application. It is available on Google Play Store. So here you can see the name of this application. It's called Intro Maker for YouTube Music Intro Video Editor. So I cannot pronounce the name of this developer, but you can read the name here. It's ryzenrise. Okay, developer name is ryzenrise. So you can install this free application. After installing this application, just open this application, and now I have already created an intro. Let's save this to as draft. And now here you can see the main screen. It makes it really simple and easy to create cool demos, cool intros for your YouTube channel. You can see a lot of demos here. So let me show you some demos. Here we have for games. Let's download this one. And let's play this one. So you just need to choose a template and then you can edit it. Let's go back, save this to draft, and then we have this another for game. Then we have this demo, and let's try some more. We have this glitch effects. Let's try this one, cyberpunk. Now you have a lot of options. You can choose a title. Let's take double tap to edit this title. After choosing title, you can choose any style. We have a lot of options here. You can see live demo. You can also choose design. A lot of options are available. You can easily change color. Customization is really simple and easy. You can also change the speed. You can also choose where it will start. So let's see. You can change the display position. Okay, and now here you can see. You can also add music and other stickers. Here you can see we have this subscribe sticker. You can also add music, very simple and easy. You can choose tracks or you can choose sound effects. So here you can see we have atmosphere, transitions, actions and many other sound effects. You can, first of all, you can listen this music, tap on plus to edit music, and then you can change the position. Music should start when our logo appears. And once you are done editing, you can export it. So this is how you can easily create cool intros for your YouTube channel.